found another abandoned building just on a walk. A couple of cars there. It is just a bit of a shell, but I'll show you, give you a look around. Let's take a look, guys. Walk through all this rubbish. Let's take a look at these cars. Oh, falling over all sorts. Wow, look at this. Wow. Ooh. Get under here. Wow, look at them. Wow. Fuck. This probably has been here most of our life. Wow. This is amazing. Wow, guys, look, still got the radio. Well overgrown, this car. Look at nature truly taking this over.
Swap places.
Wow. Let's swap. Oh shit. Falling. Wow. Oh, beetle. What's that one? Yeah.
That's not beetle, is it?
It looks like one, but I don't know, I can't see. Has it got anything on the back? What's that? It's got an L or maybe something? Or... Oh, let's see if we can get to the front, guys. Can't get to the front, no. Cannot get to the front. I'm standing on a door here. I'm standing on a door. Look, that's the front of the car. Wow. Amazing, look at this. Building here. I've got some sort of horse box. I think I'm standing on the door to that car. Definitely am. You can see the handle there. There you go, there's the handle. I wonder if I can get this way. Over to... Ooh, shitty now. Nearly died. Don't die, Sarah. Nearly died getting over here. Have a little look. See if I can get round. Little horse box. Oh, can I get round here? Oh, oh God. Oh wow. Ow. What's on there? Looks like a little cabin. Like a little caravan. Not a horse box. Wow. Surprised there ain't no one living in here. Wow. Truly amazing. Cool. Cool. Absolutely cool. So we're going to go look through this window. Just about get me again. Look guys, totally trashed. Nothing much in this one. But them cars are truly amazing. I'll walk round to this bit. Show you a bit round here. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Can't see anything. Oh, got a bathtub. Got a bathtub there. And then, oh, get through this little bit. I can. I'll show you again in here. Nothing much, like I said. Oh, what's that off? That was dangerous. Imagine if I fell onto that. Oh, it's crazy. Right, so carrying on. We'll have a look. All sorts of everything. Tyres. Broken down trees. Oh, showers. Oh, broken buckets. Oh, risking my life. What's that? Part of an Hoover. One of the old ones. Record player, by the looks of it. A few bits of cars. What's this one? Ooh. Some sort of electric shit. What are these? I don't know what these are. Showers and bits on this. Anyone tell me? I don't know. Oh, crazy. Have a little look round here. Oh, nothing. Nothing special. Drill bit here. There. All sorts in here, isn't there? Oh wow. Oh, I've got no light. Oh, there they are. Look at that.
Yeah, bubble that in it.
Yeah. That's well old.
John's box.
It's all sorts in there. Wow. All sorts in there. Lots of screwdrivers.